Yeah, it was acting a little bit crazy, guys, so I had to like shut off the recording. Oh my god. Sounds amazing. We outside right now. Yeah, we outside with the boys. I hope it's recording, dude. I just hope it's recording. If it's not, that would be so terrible. Focus is, oh yeah, we gapped him. Oh, stop! Load! Dude, why is it not loading? Oh my god. That's so lame, dude. Why didn't it load? Oh my god, dude, it did not want to load. Wait, where did they go? Holy lag. Oh, these guys passed? Yo, I honestly thought they were behind. I thought these guys were behind me. Where are these guys going? But coming in a little bit too hot. And there is no exit that goes all the way at the back. I don't know what I thought I saw there. I did see this pathway over here. Dude, how the fuck am I screwing up this parking? What? Nah, I did not hit that pole, did I? So embarrassing, dude. Oh, these are I7s. I thought it was the M7. I mean, the new M5. These are hard, dude. They look like Rolls Royces. They give me a Rolls Royce vibe right now. Ooh, it's bagged for real? Ooh. That was hard. That's tough. Black is hard as fuck. Ooh, here's the blue badge. That's hard. Of course, my black badge is harder. You guys can't argue with that. And he has the standard. Bro, nothing beats the F82. It looks wise, dude. It just looks so fucking good. Like, what? Oh my god, dude. Like, even if we were in real life and this was me pulling up with the F82, I would not mind it. M2 comp. Ooh, this color is hard. I don't like the spoiler on it though. Should get rid of that spoiler. And the hood thingy. I don't like that. Ooh, classic E46. Wait, that is the E46, right? Or E43? I mean E36. I'm about to Google it right now. E36. It is the E36, not the E46. Because the E46 is a little different. I get it. Look at this lineup, dude. This car looks so timeless. Looks so good. Oh my god. Amazing. He says there's a challenge. Oh, I like that idea. I like that idea. You're gonna see like some good drivers over here. Yeah, you can tell this guy's ass. He's just, I take it back. This guy is ass. Yeah, a nice road. I have a road in mind already. Oh my god, this guy keeps talking. Dude, we used to do like yeah, we need spotters. These guys seem like the non-racing. Ooh, oh my god. Dude, E92 is always, the E90 is always amazing. But this is the E92, no. Or it's the E90 Coupe, and then there's an E90 4-door. Or the 4-door is the E90, and this is the E91 or 2, whatever. This is just, that's a 6-figure. Mega head. This is huge. I love the E90 roof. Ooh, and the carbon roof. That's fire. Bag-ish. Yeah, that is hard. I'm gonna steal this guy's sticker ideas. I haven't even had an E92 yet. Kind of lost me that one. I thought we were doing a canyon, like a canyon race. Dead. Dead. Yo, you ever saw that? Oh, he's still in the car. I'm like, yo. How is he still in the car? What the fuck? Yeah. I don't know what happened over there. I don't know what happened over there. Buddy just flew out the windshield. I have no idea what happened over there, dude. Bro trying to kill me. Yeah, is it the same buddy that was in my car? Because if it is, I'm not picking him up anymore if he's talking that shit. He's wild. Talking about I almost killed him. Buddy's legit jumping out the window talking about I'm legit trying to kill him. He's trying to kill himself. He's like, what is this guy trying to do? How much were we? How many? Is he trying to say how many were we? That GTR looks like a drag spot. V8 in a... Wait, what car is this? What? Yeah, he's stupid. Straight fucking road. That's a little bit wild to say, because that does not show skill. It does not show skill. I don't know when was the last time I serviced this Bugatti. They might chow it. Might have a better shot with the M2. Oh yeah, it's a rear wheel drive now, so it's no longer fast. That M4 was low key a weapon, the one I was driving. Oh my god. W16 engine, dude. Two VR6s singing at the same time. What the what? Second time the game's trying to kill me without me actually trying to kill myself. I'm about to smoke me a couple of them. Yeah, I better not be overconfident. You know, I don't know what's gonna go on. I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, that M3 is just so sexy. It's so sexy, dude. That F1 fucked me over. He fucked me up.